Chanchal and you are watching my channel Learn Wiser. Please subscribe my channel to get updates and knowledge relating to income tax, GST, ROC related compliance and filing, MS Office and many more things for CACS officers. Today we are here to learn how to create drop-down menu option in Excel. Let's get started with this video. Let's learn how to create drop-down menu option. Here we may take an examples of attendance status of employee, where we want to create that particular employee was present or absent or on leave. We may select this status from drop-down menu option instead of typing it manually each and every time. For this, write the options of drop-down menu into a separate column. Let us write these options into column E. Write absent, present, or leave. Now, put your cursor on a particular cell of column where you want to create a drop-down menu option. After that, go in, for example, we want to create in column A. Put this, enter, go into data. After data validation, and click on data validation. Now select list from allow option and give it a range or so. Now click on OK. Now just copy paste the same formula on the range you want to opt. Okay. Here you may select absent, here present, here leave. This is again present. Here it is done. This was just an example. You may create drop-down menu options for each and every scenario for which you want to create an options